This video shows how to buy shares of Sendas Distribuidora SA, a company operating in distribution and retail, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ASAIY. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker ASAIY to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct Sendas Distribuidora SA record in the results. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. The eToro link is in the video description if you want to explore the platform.